Take a close look at my screen right now. I am refreshing the dashboard live to show you real-time Adsterra earnings and payment confirmations. This is the exact daily result you get with the Adsterra loading method, an automated system engineered to give you a 100% earning guarantee starting from day one, bringing in a minimum of $100 every single day. Let's clear up the technical side so you know how easy this is. No high-spec PC needed. You do not need expensive hardware or a powerful laptop. This custom bot is lightweight and runs perfectly on any normal, basic device. No website required. You can bypass the cost and hassle of buying domains, building websites, or paying monthly web hosting. Everything operates directly through your Adsterra direct link. Zero hidden fees, no surprise recurring subscriptions, no monthly charges, and no extra investment required down the line. Full lifetime access to this complete method and automated bot is available for a simple, flat, one-time payment of $250. To keep global payments fast and secure, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know how many fake screenshots and edited videos circulate on the internet, and skepticism is completely natural. That is why I offer complete transparency. If you have even the slightest doubt that these numbers are real, message me right now. I will gladly jump on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my real Adsterra account, and refresh the browser live right in front of your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop delaying your goals while others build daily automated revenue. Send me a direct message right now, claim your copy of the bot, and let's get your guaranteed earnings started today.